Hi, I'm Marty Mason with Twin Disc Incorporated. We're here at Lamb's Yacht Center today in Jacksonville, Florida, to demonstrate and explain Twin Disc's newest marine propulsion product. It's called the Express Joystick System. It will truly revolutionize the way you're able to maneuver your boat. So come on, step aboard and let's see what it's all about. We're on the bridge of our 47-foot convertible now, and this is the new Express Joystick system. This system is comprised of several proprietary twin disc marine products, starting with the quick shift marine transmissions, which are unique in their design and functionality. They are controlled by the quick shift EC300 control system. This boat also has the twin disc BCS hydraulic thruster system on it. So the new Express Joystick system controls all of these products at the same time. Let me show you how this system works. Okay, we've started the engines and we've dropped our shore power and dock lines. We are going to take control with the joystick now. We're going to start to move very slowly, very softly out of the slip at this time. Very minute movements of the stick. This boat's 47 feet long, about 54 overall, 55,000 pounds, 1,500 horsepower, electronically controlled diesel engines. We got a 16-foot beam and a 17-foot slip, so we've got about 6 inches on each side to play with. This is a good example for you to see the precise control that we're going to have with this vessel. We are in very tight quarters here. Again, I'm just fudging it a little bit ahead. Very small amount of movement. There's a little bit of breeze blowing through here today. It's blowing about 15 knots on the outside, so we got a little breeze coming through and a little bit of current here as well. We're still not clear of our slip, and we are starting almost to enter the slip ahead of us. As soon as our platform clears on the stern, we will start the rotation. This is a time that can be very intimidating for a lot of boaters and owners and captains, but the Express Joystick system makes it a snap. As we do a clockwise rotation, the boat's going to correspond in the same direction. This is as we would be doing on levers. We have the port and forward and starboard and reverse, and we will get quite close to a few of the boats in here. We'll continue to turn on a clockwise basis to spin the boat around. We're going to let it drift a moment, and I'm going to counter it and actually stop it with a counterclockwise rotation now. So we're out of our slip, we're centered up in the waterway here. I'm just going to ease it forward. Very soft, very responsive, and total control. The wind is blowing the bow off a little bit, and you may see a little bit of rotation at the same time while I'm pushing it forward, and that's to straighten the boat up. The rudders are parked in the straight position, and we are not using the steering at all. We're going to start a clockwise rotation of the joystick here, and obviously the boat is coming around nicely. We're going to stop and let it drift a little bit, and I'm going to stop the rotation, and we're going to move it ahead forward just ever so slightly. Nice and quiet, very controlled. This is always a one-hand operation. The steering and the rudders, the corresponding rudders for the steering are in a dead ahead position. So we're not using any rudder at all, it's not required. We're not making any wake, not disturbing any other boats. I'm very quietly departing the marina. We're just going to ease right over here to this dock. So we're going to move ahead by moving the joystick directly forward, and then the corresponding move of the joystick to this 2 o'clock position allows us to maneuver the boat and basically crab it at a 2 o'clock angle. And once again, this is done with conventional shafts and props, all with one hand. We're not using the steering system. The rudders are in their dead ahead position, and we're going to slow down a little bit here, and we're just going to rotate the bow around a little bit.